So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in msfs space / scan now and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, you want to type in dism space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now for the last one, you want to type in chkdsk space /f space /r and then click on enter. And now once this comes up, you want to type in y and then click on enter. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. So you want to restart your computer, but keep on watching. As the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. And it's now going to start running this final scan. Once you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows and this should now fix your problem.